Welcome to our KUNOMAIL tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to customize the new KUNOMAIL exactly the way you want it. Clear, tidy, and without unnecessary features. Do you like KUNOMAIL, but it doesn't quite meet your needs? Perhaps you're seeing too many features that you don't actually use, and that quickly becomes confusing? Don't worry, there's now a solution for just that. With the new update, you can customize KUNOMAIL, reduce the interface to the essentials, hide features you don't need, and customize the program to suit your needs. In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the new features. In the User Interface dialog, you can customize the look of KUNOMAIL. To open the dialog, click Administration in the menu, and then User Interfaces. Whether colors, icons, images, or fonts, every setting can be customized to your personal preferences. All options are clearly and easily displayed, making it easy to navigate. Feel free to experiment with the different options at your leisure. Every change can be seen immediately and, if necessary, undone. Step by step, you'll discover the look that suits you best for an email experience tailored to your needs. Did you know? KUNOMAIL offers so-called quick settings profiles that allow you to easily customize the appearance and displayed functions with a click of the mouse. These profiles help you quickly switch between different view and function levels, depending on whether you prefer a simple, attractive, or complete look. To access the profiles, simply click the Show Quick Settings button. The 3 profiles at a glance. Minimal. KUNOMAIL focuses on the essential email functions. Visual elements and additional functions are reduced, ideal for maximum clarity. Optimal, the ideal middle ground. KUNOMAIL is visually appealing, but deliberately streamlined. Functions such as favorite contacts are initially hidden, but can be activated at any time. Recommended. Here you can see KUNOMAIL in its full form, with all graphic elements and functions. Perfect for those who want to take advantage of all the features. Of course, all settings can also be adjusted manually at any time via the User Interface dialog or the general KUNOMAIL settings. Tip: you'll find additional layout styles such as modern, classic, or business at the bottom left. Feel free to try them out. You might find something perfect for you. Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it helped you use KUNOMAIL. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact our KUNOMAIL support team. We welcome your feedback and wish you continued enjoyment with KUNOMAIL. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The KUNOMAIL team thanks you very much.